Oh no, Ben! Look at the clock!
Is it really 7:30 already? We are very late.
Don't worry. The taxi will come to our house.
Where is your blue bag, Dad? I cannot see it.
It is in the kitchen. I forget to bring it inside.
Please check quickly. We need all papers for travel.
I am so hungry. Can we eat a sandwich later?
Not now. We must leave the house in 5 minutes.
My heart is beating fast. Everything feels wrong today.
Come on, everyone. Pick up your bags and shoes.
Look at that big car outside our door now.
Get in the back seat quickly. Stay close to me.
Here is the address. Tell the driver where to go.
Will we miss the big plane if we are late? We have plenty of time. Do not worry about it.
You are smart, Lily. My daughter knows best, always.
Everyone look at their pockets for their passports.
I have my book. I love stories with pictures.
Check again, please. Passports are very important items.
I hope the passports are in the correct bags.
Mom, wait a second. My bag feels very light.
Open it slowly. Maybe the paper fell out yesterday.
It is empty. Oh no, the passport is not there.
Stop the car! We cannot fly without those papers!
I cannot stop here. There is a red sign.
Drive to the hotel parking. We need time now.
Are we losing the trip? I want to see snow.
I promise we will fix this problem soon enough.
Search the kitchen table at home right now.
I left my coat there. Maybe the bag is inside.
Call your father. Ask him to check the drawer.
He went to work. He cannot help us here.
Did you put the paper in your jacket pocket?
No, I keep them in the brown box, always.
I remember seeing Dad hold the box last night. Dad, remember last night when we ate dinner together?
Yes, we had pizza and talked about the weather.
Did you put the box on the small shelf there?
Yes. The red shelf near the window. I forgot.
Can we drive back? It is only 10 minutes.
The traffic will be bad. We might miss the gate.
Can we call someone at home to check the shelf?
Good idea, Ben. Call your grandfather. Please call.
Grandpa says the box is still there on the wall.
But who can bring it here? We are far away.
Ask him to meet us at the parking lot gate.
I know a friend. He works nearby on this street.
I will bring the box in 20 minutes.
Thank you so much. You are our hero today.
I feel calm again. The team is working well.
We should go to the security check while waiting. Can I carry my bag? It is not too heavy.
Sure, walk beside me. Hold the handle tight.
Show me the tickets and IDs, please, now. Leah.
We do not have the main ID card yet today.
Wait here quietly. They allow 15 minutes grace.
15 minutes? That is good news for all of us.
Keep moving forward. Do not stop walking at all.
I see the big gates opening wide for people.
Friends arrive at the corner. He holds the brown box.
Thank you, friend. This is exactly what we needed.
Finally, we are ready to board the plane.
We made it. We found everything in time.
I am happy. Can we watch movies on the plane?
Yes, turn on your tablets. Choose any movie.
Dad and Mom worked very hard today for us.
We work as a team. That is why we succeed.
Hold my hand. We walk together to our seats.
This seat is by the window. I see clouds. The pilot says the engine is making a loud noise.
It sounds powerful. It means we are flying soon.
Close your eyes if the noise scares you. Anytime.
No, I am brave. I am an explorer on planes.
They are growing up so fast. I am proud.
Eat your snacks. Save some for lunch later on.
I saved the fruit for Mom. She likes apples.
That is sweet. Thank you, my clever girl, Lily.
When we land, we go straight to the snowy place.
We play in snow. We build a big man with hats.
And we drink hot chocolate by the warm fire.
I will take many photos of the White Mountains.
Remember this day. We almost missed it all.
I love you, Dad. I love you, Mom.
We
love you, Ben. We love you, Lily, too.
Rest your heads now. Sleep until we land.
Good night, family.